Hello there. So for today's warm-up, we're going to be reviewing all the different sounds and the spellings covered so far this year. So to do that, you're going to need your individual code chart. The cover looks like this, and it'll say individual code chart. You can pause the video and go get that code chart. Okay, so you should have your individual code chart in front of you. And what we're going to do is, like I said, we're going to review the different sounds and spellings that we have learned so far this year. Now, how are we going to know which ones we reviewed? Well, throughout each of the lessons, we have been asking you to outline the different sounds and spellings that we've covered in either red if they're a consonant, so you've either outlined that spelling in red, or if it's a vowel, you outlined it in, oh, I went too far. You outlined it in green. So that's how we're going to know which sounds and spellings to review, the ones that you have outlined in red or green. So here's what I want you to do. We'll do the first few together, and then I'm going to send you off to do this on your own. So I want you to take a look at page 1, and you see we've reviewed a lot of different sounds and spellings, haven't we? So we're going to come over here and we're going to look at this sound bubble. That's the p sound, right? We don't say p, right? There's no in that. It's just p. So make sure you're clipping that sound. Here's the two different spellings that make the p sound. So you'll come over here, you'll look, you'll see this p alone makes the p sound, and then I want you to read that word. So you'll say pot. PP is another spelling, but we just say p, right? So you'd say p, napping. So those are the words. You're going to say the sound, then you're going to read the words below it. Okay? Then you'll go down to this next sound, and you'll say the sound b, bat, b, rubbing. Okay? So you kind of get the feel for what we're doing. Now, if you have someone at home that can do this with you, you guys can work together as partners, taking turns to read each of the sounds that have been reviewed. So one person might say the sound, and then the other one might read the card, and then vice versa. One would say the sound, and the other will read the word. Or you can say the sound and the word, and then trade off. What I want you to do is go through your code chart. So we have page 1, all of these on page 2, page 3, page 4, page 5, page 6, and page 7. So we have sounds from pages 1 through 7. So you're going to want to take at least 5 to 7 minutes. You can time yourself. You can have your parent time you and go through all of these sounds, okay? That's going to be your warm-up for today. And what I would encourage you to do is maybe take some time at night as well to kind of go through, maybe you do one page a night with maybe your spelling words, and that's how you practice the different sounds and the spellings. Okay, good luck, have fun.